over here.
Welcome everybody. We are here today because we're going to be doing our own blown-in insulation. You get 30 bags. You get it at $10 and some change. You get 20 bags, you get a free rental of the machine that will blow it in.
We've now been to 2 Home Depots, and neither one of them have the free machine, so now we are going to Lowe's.
20 bags of blown-in insulation machine and hoses.
That's actually 25, and
25.
We got it at Lowe's and had help loading it.
At Lowe's and had help loading it. No Home Depot. I need to go in here and apply for a card.
So it ended up taking 2 trucks to get 25 bags home, plus the equipment. That's the machine there that's blue, and the hoses are all in that trash can. The back of my truck is fully loaded with about 20 bags. So if you're going to be doing this yourself, you might want to rent a trailer. Otherwise, this took us 2 trucks.
Alright, so what we're going to do is, before we start doing the blown-in insulation, is where the ceiling's not completed, I'm going to go ahead and just put some tape up here so the insulation doesn't fall through the gaps. Eventually it will all look like this right here.
Which is wood.
Which is wood. But I got some gaps I need to close up so that the insulation doesn't fall through, and it's all over in the kitchen. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm just going to, I'm using this duct tape. You can use whatever tape you want, I reckon.
Most people probably have their ceilings finished already.
True. But we don't have ours finished, and I'm just doing this for keep the insulation up. Because nothing was square in this house, so everything didn't come through the way I was hoping. But this will make an easy fix. All one hose.
It's all one hose?
Yep, all one.
Huh? It says there's 2 of them. The instructions say that there's 2 50-foot hoses.
But it's all one to me.
Is that one 50-foot hose?
Yep.
There you go.
What that's 2.
What? Oh.
This goes here, I don't know.
Well, I guess we're gonna learn.
Right there. That goes inside. So you start walking with it.
Okay. I'm scaring the dogs. Trying to figure out how the hose goes in.
Uh-huh. Right there.
Is that it?
Yep. You're gonna set it up there.
Yeah.
And
It says not to let the plastic go in.
not letting the plastic go in.
Shouldn't we cut it like it says? Would that make it easier on me?
Where are you gonna cut it at, baby?
I don't know, right here. It said to cut it in half or something.
Yeah, you cutting it in half, you're just gonna just take it and break it down like that. You'll fill up. You don't want to wear a mask. But you can do it however you want, however you think you can do it. Okay, so we haven't done this before. This is going to be a new one on me. So we got the hopper loaded, plugged in, the hose ran. Just got to go up in the attic. While I'm up there, my wife Sheree is going to feed the hopper with that insulation. And then we're going to go from there. My flashlight. So what I've done here so I can reach, because our attic's kind of tight to get to in certain spots, is I've taken a broom handle and taped it to it so I can reach further than my means to get further back in the areas. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so we're up here, I'm up here in the attic. As you can see, I have very little room to maneuver, so I'm going to try and get some video of me spraying this up in the attic. So just please be patient with me and we will get started. Stop it! Ow! Stop it! Honey, stop! I can't fucking breathe.
You ready? This is a dirty job. You hold it. Cause see how it's shaking?
All right, everybody. Thank you for tuning in and watching two rookies do blown insulation.
It's peeling off my face.
Not something I want to do again, but you know, it is what it is. Give yourself plenty of time. Make sure you're wearing
Pay
protective
someone
eyes.
else to do this for you. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
See ya. Don't forget to like us and subscribe to our page. Thank you.